As you begin to learn how to program, one of the most important things you can do is, before you hit go or before you run your code, ask yourself, what do I expect to happen? After you've asked yourself what you expect your program to do, then run your code. Something you want to avoid is, don't just keep running your code over and over again and making changes until your program seems to work. If you don't know what you expect your program to do, how will you know when your program really works? Or if you just keep throwing code at your program or throwing script blocks into the script area without asking yourself what you expect them to do, how will you know when you've got it right? A computer program does what you tell it to do, not necessarily what you want it to do. So as computer programmers, we need to be careful to tell our computer to do what we want it to do. The computer is the dumbest thing in the world. It will do exactly what you tell it to do, nothing more and nothing less. The computer never thinks for itself. As computer programmers, we need to think for our computers. If you're working on your program and find that it starts to do something you didn't want it to do, just ask yourself, what did I ask it to do? Chances are it almost certainly did exactly what you asked it to do. As programmers, we just need to be careful about what we ask the computer to do. As you begin to learn to program, if you want to develop just one good habit, every time before you run your code, just ask yourself, what do I expect to happen?